And welcome to another fabulous Google tour, um, discussing Peru. And right now we get to talk about environmental sustainability in Peru. So this should be a lot of fun. Okay, so we're going to start out with deforestation, which shouldn't move us too much. I pinned this just because I wanted you to see how much of Peru is covered in green, in forest. Um, Peru is the fourth largest area of rainforest in the world, with about 60% of its territory being covered in it. And this is one of Peru's main environmental objectives, which is to conserve their forest resources. This includes the Amazonian rainforest, dry forest, the Andean forest, because there is a lot of deforestation going on right now in the country, and this is because of illegal squatting, road expansion, mining, and petroleum drilling. Those are some of the bigger causes for it. I want to move to one of Peru's largest gold mines. It's very big, very cool. But actually, it's not so cool because it's really helping with some of the issues, causing some of the issues of, not necessarily causing, but being a factor in some of Peru's environmental issues. A lot of toxic waste is created with mining, and like I mentioned earlier, it is one of the causes of deforestation. But mining is a really big thing in Peru because it is very rich in materials and gold, the area of Peru, and it really does help Peru's economy. There's large mineral exports that help Peru, survive and help its economy grow. And so it is a good thing in some ways, but for environmental issues, no, mining is not the best thing for Peru. Okay, we're now going to go back to the capital of Peru, Lima. And what I want to talk about in Lima, Peru, is the air pollution that is here. This is caused by industrial activity, also vehicle emissions, And recently, the Lima surpassed the international standard by 122.1%. This isn't very good. The city has created alert systems for high levels of pollution. So when it gets very bad, people are advised to stay in the house because, air pollution is just not very good in the area because of the population and all the emissions of gas through vehicles and the industry. I also would like to take you now to coastal Peru. So just the coast in general, this long little thing right here. And what I'm wanting to talk about now is Peru's access to clean water. There is a lot of rainfall in Peru, they don't have issues with that, but they do have issues receiving it, In urban areas, 87% of people have access to clean water, whereas rural, there's 62%. And, I don't think either of these numbers are where they should be. So, I'm bringing you to coastal Peru. Kind of get a good look at that. 55% of the population of Peru lives on the coast. And there are only 2% of water flows in this direction. And so it is really hard for these people to access water. The water is not proportionally distributed, and the country faces a little bit of tug-of-war with their water because of how hard it is to access it in certain areas like